Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install this sign using Z-clips the easy way without getting messy using a tape measure and marking up the wall. First thing you want to do is you have your existing Z-clips on your board already mounted, and now you have 4 other clips that are actually going to go to the wall itself. First thing you want to do is slide the male-female connector flush the tape side up on all 4 corners. Using blue painter's tape where it connects right there. Just tear off a little piece and tape them together so that it stays put. It's not moving. Alright, so next step is you're going to remove the red liner from all the corners of the tape, exposing the clear high bond adhesive tape on all 4 sides. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to the wall where you're mounting this. Alright, so I have a wall here and I'm going to kind of put it into place. Obviously you would have a layout how you want to put these up. Before I would put this up, I would measure off on the corners where I want this to fall into place, but to give you the general idea, put this up. Pushing firmly down on all 4 corners helps the adhesive stick to the wall. And giving it a few shakes here, the blue tape releases off of the Z-clips on the wall. They're in place here. This is an easy way to eliminate any kind of measuring. Just remove the blue tape off of the backs of these. And with the mounting hardware provided, you can then put the screws in the existing holes, help secure them over a period of time. Once you do that, put this right back on. Now it's all matched up and perfectly aligned. That's it.